Have you ever wondered why your toy car doesn't move until you give it a push? You see, it's all about a concept we call forces. Picture your toy car just sitting there perfectly still. It's like it's taking a nap. And who likes to be woken up from a nap? Just like us, it prefers to remain as it is, whether that's moving or not moving. This is a fundamental rule of the universe. This rule, known as Newton's first law, tells us that objects at rest, like our sleepy toy car, stay at rest, and objects in motion stay in motion, unless something comes along to change that. That something is what we call an external force. This could be a push, like when you send your toy car zooming across the room, or a pull, like when you reel in a kite from the sky. So your toy car needs your help, a gentle push, to start its journey. Now, what if I told you that when you push your toy car, it's also pushing you back? Sounds strange, doesn't it? But this is precisely what Sir Isaac Newton's third law of motion states. It's all about action and reaction. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So when you apply force to your toy car, making it zoom across the room, it's pushing back with the same force. Picture this. You're the action, pushing the car is your force. The car, well, it's the reaction, and it pushes back with an equal force. But why don't you skid backwards when you push the car? Simple. You're much heavier than the toy car, your mass is greater, so while the car is indeed exerting a force on you, you don't budge. That's right, your toy car is pushing you back, but you're too strong for it to move you. Ever think about how Newton's third law plays out in your everyday life? It's not just about science experiments or rocket ships. Let's take a look at a few examples you might relate to. Think about when you walk. You push the ground backwards with your foot, and in response, the ground pushes you forward. This is why you're able to move. It's the same principle when you swim. As you paddle your hands and feet, you're pushing the water backwards. And guess what? The water pushes you forward in return. Ever played on a trampoline? When you jump down, you're exerting a force on the trampoline. The trampoline then exerts an equal and opposite force that propels you back up. So, Newton's third law is not just about your toy car, it's about you and everything around you. Remember, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. That's Newton's third law for you.